Well, it's that time of year again. Pollen season is here, and just about everyone is sneezing.
Yeah, this is a big deal. We're in the worst part of the season right now as we speak, and it's not going to get better anytime soon. 8 on your side's Deanne Roberts is live in Tampa this morning with some advice on dealing with pollen season. Do you still have that glove on also?
Of course I gotta have this glove on. I'm not about to touch a pollen-filled car without a glove on. That's because literally the trees are blooming. Pollen is just everywhere, including all on these cars. You see that glove there? Why would I put this on my hand? But most of all, everyone, this is what your cars are probably looking like. A car wash isn't gonna help whatsoever. Pollen season at its worst right now, and it's only going downhill from here. So here's what you need to look out for. If you're sneezing, wheezing, coughing, or have shortness of breath, you may be allergic to all of the pollen that's floating around. The pollen count was at 290 last week, and people start to see symptoms at 10. USF allergy professor Dr. Richard Locke says the count is expected to go up to the thousands over the next couple of weeks. So, of course, people are preparing.
The situation with the pollen is a real situation. We are having a lot of difficulties, respiratory problems.
My allergies start to kind of kick in right about now, so I've been waking up and I take my Claritin every morning just to make sure that I can get through the day.
The best thing for people to do at this time of year is to stay inside, run the air conditioning, close the windows to the car, run the air conditioning in their car, and just wait out the problem, because the problem begins about mid-January and ends about mid-March.
Some other important things to know, Dr. Locke says, contrary to popular belief, pets do not really react or have an allergic reaction to pollen, and those air filters that people probably just go out and buy thinking that's going to stop the pollen from coming in, it doesn't necessarily do that as well. So definitely either stock up on your medicine or just kind of stay inside. Guys, back to you.
Good to know about the pets, though. That's one good thing. All right. Thank you so much, Deanne.
She is rocking that glove.
Yes. And you know that yellow pollen that is literally everywhere, that's the oak pollen. But what you can't see as much, still high pollen in the pine tree, coming from the pine trees, and the bayberry tree. So if you're sensitive to any of those, you may not see it, but you feel it.
Thankfully, we don't suffer with allergies.
No,
None of
we
us.
No, but to watch other people suffer, I mean,
Yeah, it's tough to see people dealing with that.